Hey guys, we are Girls from Boston. I'm Rachel.
I'm Samantha.
And this is part 2 of our Iron Man helmet build.
Yes.
So,
Alright, so we'll just get right back into it. We're going to start off with where we left off in trivia in bag number 3 of 4 of building Iron Man.
hope you enjoy. Bag number 3, open. We're ready to go. Back to trivia.
What is the name of the cat in Cinderella?
Lucifer.
Yes. What is Minnie Mouse's full first name? The options are
Yeah, I was like,
Melinda,
no.
Mary,
Nope.
Minerva,
Nope.
or Wilhelmina.
Oh god. I'm gonna pick Wilhelmina.
No, Minerva.
Minerva. Wow. Didn't know that.
Where does the Emperor's New Groove take place? Peru, Mexico, Guatemala, or Morocco?
Peru?
Yes.
Ah, back at it.
What part do you think you're building now? Like the back of the head or something?
This looks like, yeah, probably the back half there.
Just because that's like wide open.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on there.
Anyway, what job is Judy Hopps assigned to when she joins the Zootopia police?
Meter maid. Parking duty.
Parking enforcement is the multiple choice answer.
Okay, well,
so
it's parking.
but meter maid, yes.
Yeah, because
accurate.
Because her boss goes, hops, parking duty.
Which movie contains the song "Some Things Never Change"?
That is probably Frozen 2.
Yeah.
Some things never change. And I put this in the wrong spot. Right in the middle. That's the only thing about Lego. Sometimes it's difficult to see where you're putting stuff. Because the pictures are just like... Well, they're just pictures, so...
In which of the following movies is the villain still alive at the end? Beauty and the Beast,
Nope.
The Little Mermaid,
Nope.
Emperor's New Groove, or Tarzan?
Emperor's New Groove. 'Cause she's a cat.
Yeah, because she's alive. She's just not.
Not human anymore.
Yeah.
She's a cat. And Khrushchev dies in Tarzan, I believe. He's the villain.
Mm.
Yeah, that's the back of his helmet. That looks pretty cool. We're getting there.
I know, now you have a lot of black pieces now.
Now I'm building a stand.
Oh, right. I was just looking at the box to be like, what's black?
The stand.
That makes sense.
Alright.
Ooh, I can apply stickers for you when you get there.
Okay, you're good at applying stickers. We'll switch and you can do the stickers and I'm going to ask you trivia. No? Why not?
I can't promise how well that will go.
Why not? Are you not confident in your trivia skills?
I could try.
Okay.
Alright. What job does Fred have in Big Hero 6? There's a picture of Fred if you don't know who he is.
I know he is. He's the school mascot by day. And at night, he's a school mascot.
Yeah. In Monsters, Inc., when a sock is stuck to one of the scarers, that's a code.
2319. Sock on the back.
Yes.
And 2319 stands for the letters. Isn't it? No.
It does.
Sock. Isn't it?
I don't remember. Now I have to look that up.
I forget, because that 2319 has to... stands for something. It's something like alphabetical for a sock on the back.
It's code for white sock.
White sock.
Yeah,
that's
so
what
the
it is.
23rd letter is W and 19 is S. So
Yeah,
for
white
WS.
sock. Yeah.
So yeah.
I knew it was something funky.
Yeah. How many stepsisters does Cinderella have?
She got 2. Drizella and Anastasia.
That's one way to pronounce it. Which animals own the ice cream shop in Zootopia?
The elephants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they get in trouble for scooping with their...
Trunk's not being
Their
bagged
trunks.
or something, or gloved. An ungloved trunk.
What birthday is Rapunzel celebrating when the events of Tangled happen?
My 18th birthday.
Yes. Ooh, this is a tough one. What is Donald Duck's middle name?
Scrooge?
No. So we have options.
Yeah,
We've got
let's go with the options. Didn't know if he was named after, like, Uncle Scrooge or something.
Fauntleroy
Oh, that's fancy.
or Fauntleroy. Harold, Drake, or Mallard.
Mallard.
No, it was the Fauntleroy
Oh.
one. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right.
I don't know. Comment down below if you guys know how to say that.
Or if you knew that. I've never even heard that name before.
Yeah. Not sure about that one. I think Babe was making it up.
I was not. How many salad plates does Anna say they have in for the first time in forever?
5,000?
No, more than that.
10,000 salad plates.
8,000.
Oh, wow. I need to go watch that movie again.
We've been watching Frozen 2 too much.
Yeah,
We're
that's...
losing touch with the original.
Frozen 2 is where my heart belongs.
What's the name of Jane's dad in Tarzan?
He's an Englishman, so John?
We've got Archimedes,
No.
Archibald, Alexander, or Abraham.
Abraham.
No, Archimedes.
Why would it be Archimedes?
I don't know.
Disney.
I thought that was too, like...
That was just too close to something else. Archimedes.
Right, there is an Archimedes, so I didn't expect it to be, like...
And he's English. Is that like an English name?
I suppose.
Comment down below. Because I have no idea. If you're an Englishman.
Are those blue pieces, like, not sturdy?
No.
Oh.
They're a little floppy. I don't know if his head like balances on them.
I doubt it.
They probably go somewhere inside the...
Maybe.
I don't know. I don't know how they would like stick up. But... Oh. This supports it.
Okay. Alright, you can tell Huey, Dewey, and Louie apart by the color they wear.
Who wears what, huh?
Which one is Dewey?
Huey is red. Dewey is... I'm gonna say blue.
You think Dewey wears blue?
Yeah.
He does!
Yeah! That was a stab in the dark.
Alright, only one of the 7 dwarfs doesn't have a beard. Which one?
Dopey.
Yes.
You really didn't think you really thought?
I thought it was going to be a harder question than
Oh, okay.
that.
Alright.
Why is Flynn Rider annoyed by his wanted posters?
They just can't get my nose right.
Yes. How many brothers does Hans have?
12.
Correct. Oh, here's an easy one. What does Boo's door have painted on it in Monsters, Inc.?
Pink flowers.
Correct. What does Aladdin steal and end up giving to 2 poor children?
A loaf of bread. That's in the original, by the way, the cartoon version.
Yes, it is. Correct. Which was the last animated Disney movie to use a storybook in the intro? We've got Cinderella, Robin Hood, The Sword in the Stone, or Pocahontas.
I'm gonna say Robin Hood.
Yeah.
Robin Hood, Little John walked through the forest. Ooh lolly golly, what a day.
What was the name of the organization Bernard and Bianca run in The Rescuers?
Say what?
I know.
I haven't watched that in a long time.
All
Can you
right.
give me some multiple choice there?
Yeah. the Rescue Aid Society, the International Rescue Company, Rescuers Inc., or the Rescue Organization.
Rescue organization.
No, it was the Rescue Aid Society.
Weird. That's a pretty cool stand.
It's really coming together. I'm excited for you to put the gold pieces on though at the end.
Yeah, well, that's like the last thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, now we put the skull on.
The skull.
Do it this way.
Oh yeah, because those little gray pieces fit into the openings.
Okay. Wow. Iron Man, right? At least he's gonna stand now. He looks so creepy.
It does look like a transformer
back.
right now.
Yeah. This is
Like
this is
colors.
pretty tall. Like my hand. Pretty tall. Alright, you can stare at the creepy Iron Man there. Cool. Alright, we're still building pieces though. I think we're gonna start building some gold features. Let's put Iron Man at the side here so you can see him while I build.
What does Abu try to steal from the Cave of Wonders?
The ruby. Like that big red ruby.
Yes. In The Little Mermaid, what name does Ursula use after she becomes human?
I know it.
I know, and you'll know it once I say it. Yeah. So,
Rebecca?
no.
Vanessa.
Yes.
I know it was like a...
I was debating whether I should give you the first letter or not.
No, it was Vanessa. These gold pieces are really cool. Oh, I should probably let you see the top half. Look at that.
Making it this far, here's an easy one to close it out. What happens when you wish upon a star? The options are
Makes no difference who you are, though.
your
Right?
dreams come true, you smite your enemies, you have fresh breath, or you
Oh.
get ice cream.
Oh my god, your dreams come true. And you get fresh breath and ice cream.
That is correct.
That was funny.
All right. So we got 44 out of 50 correct.
Not good enough.
Nicely done. You didn't quite get all the questions correct, but you definitely did well enough to call yourself a true Disney scholar.
Ah,
Go flaunt it to your friends and family and see if they can beat your score.
they can't.
I bet they can't, it says.
Yeah. Little known fact about me is I've got a lot of bunch of useless knowledge, especially on Disney.
I don't think it's useless because, like, we go all the time. It's not like it's not part of our life.
No, but I feel like I'm annoying about it.
You do pop out of nowhere sometimes and just, like,
Spout out some trivia. Yeah.
I think it's fun.
At least you think so, babe. Alright. Bag number 3 is done. We've got the back and the sides. Looks like bag number 4 is going to be a lot of gold on this face. Because Mr. Tony Stark here... Oh, I just broke the front. He definitely needs his facial features. Alright.
Gotta be gentle with his,
His signage?
yeah.
Yeah, apparently. Back on. Check that out. Cool. Opening bag number 4, and we'll be right back. Alright, bag number 4 open. We are ready to finish this helmet. Boom. We are on step 111. Make a wish, everyone.
think it's funny that this little wrench looking thing has been here since box number 1.
Bag
number 1. Sorry, I'm used to pin boxes.
pin boxes, yeah. Ugh. And I just smack it on his face.
Throw it, hope it sticks.
Yeah.
Is that how Legos work?
Yeah. I have a feeling they have to like hook onto this like modular section that's here. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Oh wow. That's intense.
We still have more to build.
Did you put stickers on?
Yeah.
You stole my job.
It said to put them on in the instructions.
That was my job.
Sorry. You were busy. We're still building though. I don't know what we're building, but we're still building. I'll show you guys how I put that one in this time. See that little gray piece here? Slide it in. Yeah.
That's so cool.
Oh, it says it tilts a little bit. I guess not. And our helmet is complete.
I really like that one.
That's cool. All right.
I like that you had to build the stand.
Yeah. And they just didn't give you just a set.
Yeah, I love that.
Cool. I love how Lego does this now, where they tell you how many pieces it is and what shape it is, what color, what size. It actually has the brick number associated with it. I don't know if you can see that with the glare. It's a dark page looking at a dark piece. But so if you go on like lego.com, or if you go to like pick a brick, you can actually re-pick out your entire piece. Or if you were missing a piece like us, you can go find that piece, this piece right here.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And get it for your model and put it together.
So if we lost one that was like actually important,
Yeah.
we'd be able to
Buy
just the one Lego.
Right.
Instead of the entire set.
Right. So thanks for joining us on our Lego build. If you like these, comment down below. Give a thumbs up to our video. And follow us on our Instagram, Girls from Boston. Yeah.
Yeah, and hopefully soon we'll have our actual backdrop ready for future videos, and this guy will be up there.
Yep. Look forward to seeing the Iron Man helmet in our backdrop.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks for joining us, guys, and haha!